This video demonstrates how to run the advanced memory test using the XCC REST API on AMD ThinkSystem V1 servers. Note: AMD is only supported with AMD EPYC 7003 series CPUs on the ThinkSystem SR645 and SR665 servers. The AMD performs memory tests and repairs during UEFI post, using configurations loaded directly from the XClarity Controller. To begin, open your Redfish client. To query the AMD test options, set the HTTP method to GET. Enter the request URL as shown on the screen. In the Authorization tab, select Basic Auth and enter your XCC username and password. This authorization is required for every request. Click Send. If successful, a 200 OK status will be displayed. Use the search icon to enter the keyword memory to quickly locate the AMD test options. The relevant properties for AMD configurations will be shown. To enable the advanced memory test, change the HTTP method to patch. Enter the same request URL. Ensure the correct authorization credentials are set. Under Body, select RAW and set the format to JSON. Enter the following attributes to enable AMD. Set the behavior option to repair. Set the policy options to once. Click Send. If successful, a 200 OK status will be displayed. Power on the server or perform a manual restart. During the late post stage, UEFI activates the AMD and automatically restarts the system. Once restarted, the advanced memory test will run. When the test completes, UEFI saves the results in the XCC service data as a proprietary TZZ file, viewable only with Lenovo support's specialized tools.